I was wondering, could we turn a classic medieval barrel into a toothbrush cup? Normally, this would require a lot of 3D modeling, but today we're letting AI do the hard work. Let me show you exactly how I made it. Let's get started. First, go to ChatGPT.com and enter the prompt shown on the screen, or copy it from the video description. This will generate an image of a wooden medieval barrel. Once the image is ready, download it. Now let's turn that AI image into a real 3D model. Head over to Hitem3d.ai, go to General and select Image to 3D. Drag and drop the image you just created, set the generation type to Geometry Only, and click Generate. In just a few minutes, Hitem3d AI turns our image into a real 3D model. Next, we'll use segmentation. This is the trick that makes multicolor printing possible without manual painting. Set the detail level to low and click Generate. After the segmentation is finished, select all the metal rings and merge them together. Then merge all the remaining regions into one group. This lets us separate the metal rings from the wooden parts, so we can assign colors with just one click. Now click Print and send the 3D model directly to Bambu Studio. First, use the Rotate tool to rotate the model 90 degrees on the X-axis, then switch to the Scale tool and disable uniform scaling. Resize the model to 100 millimeters on the X, Y, and Z axes. Then right-click the model and center it on the build plate. Under the Objects menu, you'll see the two regions we created. To keep things organized, rename the main object to barrel and rename the regions to wooden planks and metal rings. For multicolor printing, simply select the metal rings and set the color to black. Next, right-click the barrel and add a cylindrical part. Select the cylinder, set the color to black, and open the Scale tool. Set the size to 70 millimeters on X and Y and 7 millimeters on Z. Now align it to the center of the barrel and also to the bottom. This creates a perfectly flat first layer and fills the gap at the bottom, so we don't need to use supports. Now we need to turn this barrel into a real toothbrush cup. Right-click the barrel again and add a cylindrical negative part. Select the negative part and open the Scale tool. Resize it to 60 millimeters on X and Y and 95 millimeters on Z. Then align it to the center of the barrel and also to the top. And that's it. Now slice the model, send it to your printer, and you're ready to go. Once the print is finished, remove it from the build plate and enjoy your new barrel toothbrush cup. If you want to try this yourself, I've added the full prompt, the project file, and all the links you need in the video description. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more AI-powered 3D printing content, make sure to like the video and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what should I make next. See you in the next video.